If you traveled across the stars to visit Earth, you might find your first landing a bit bumpy. This is Zob. He's excited to be outside, meaning 밖에서. But right now, he's a little too energetic for the playground, or 운동장. Two students pull out a translator pad to help Zob settle in. They explain that to play here, he needs to follow school rules, which translates to 학교 규칙. These aren't just random commands. These rules are what keep everyone safe, or 안전한, while they play together. Following the rules means everyone knows what to expect, so no one gets left out or hurt. When Zob follows his friends into the classroom, or 교실, the expectations change. In here, the most important thing is to be quiet, meaning 조용한. Zob is bursting with things to say, and he almost makes the mistake of trying to yell, or 소리치다. His friends show him the right way to be heard. On Earth, you raise your hand, which means 손을 들다. By listening to these classroom rules, Zob is learning the very first steps of how to treat others, 다른 사람들, with respect. As Zob looks out at the whole country, 나라, he sees that millions of people live together. To do that well, he has to be a good citizen, or 좋은 시민. Think of a country like a giant team. You are a member, 구성원, of that team. On this team, your main job is to respect, or 존중하다, everyone you meet. You see this in action when someone chooses to be a good neighbor, 좋은 이웃이 되다. It's as simple as helping someone with a problem. When we care for, or 돌보다, the people around us, we make our communities a better place to live for everyone. Citizens also share a tradition, or 전통. These are the special ways we celebrate that we repeat year after year, meaning 해마다. For example, on Halloween, we put on a scary costume, 무서운 의상, and go out to trick-or-treat for candy. On Thanksgiving, families get together, 모이다, for a massive shared dinner, or 저녁 식사. When Christmas comes around, everyone helps decorate, 장식하다, a tree with lights and ornaments. And on Mother's Day, or Valentine's Day, it's a tradition to give a present, a 선물, to someone we love. These traditions are like the shared memories that keep families and neighbors connected over many years. Curious tone. Zob notices colorful banners waving everywhere. These are national flags, or 국기. A flag is a symbol that represents, 상징하다, an entire country. The flag of the United States is often called the Stars and Stripes, or 성조기. If you look at our textbook, you can see how different flags tell you who is in charge of a certain area. Canada, America's neighbor to the north, features a bright red maple leaf, meaning tampungnip, right in the center. To the south, Mexico's flag shows an eagle, 독수리, clutching a snake, 뱀, while perched on a cactus. When citizens see their flag, they are reminded of their country's history and the people they share it with. Zob looks around the playground and feels much more at home. He's starting to see how rules and traditions help everyone live together, and he's proud to be an honorary citizen. Before Zob heads back to his ship, let's do a quick review of the core words he learned today. Rule becomes 규칙. Citizen is 시민. Tradition is 전통. Costume is 의상. And flag is 국기. Now that Zob knows the right words for these rules and traditions, he can join in the fun and truly be part of the community. Happy practicing!